Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone so recording is reliable. Make sure battery and storage are sufficient because interruptions ruin takes. Next, open the app's tray and tap Samsung Voice Recorder. If you don't see it, swipe the Samsung folder. When the app requests microphone and storage permissions, allow them so the app can capture and save audio. Once done, glance at quality settings, standard or high quality, because that choice affects file size and clarity for later editing or sharing. Now focus on recording technique and levels. Choose a mode, standard for notes, interview for 2 sources, or voice memo for speech, because each optimizes gain and filtering. Tap the red record button to start and watch the input meter to avoid clipping. If levels hit the top, move the mic farther or lower gain. Speak naturally and keep the phone steady. If you need higher fidelity, plug a compatible external microphone and verify it's selected before speaking. Finish the session by tapping stop so the app writes the file, name it clearly, and choose a folder for easy retrieval. You can trim unwanted bits inside the recorder, then use the share icon to send the file by email, cloud storage, or messaging apps. If recording sounds faint or absent, make sure microphone permission is enabled. Remove any case blocking the mic, try a different app, or reboot the phone. These steps usually resolve hardware or software conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.